Hello again. This is Kevin Kosar, author of Whiskey: A Global History and Moonshine: A Global History. Today I want to show off to you a new cocktail book that I recently acquired, and I quite like it. It's Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide. The Steve fellow, who you've probably seen him online, has got plenty of experience in the drinks world, the restaurant world. The man knows what he is talking about. The book itself, look, this is a hardback. It's handsome, good paper, solid. Even if you don't read it, it's going to look good in your home or on your shelf. But you should read it, because if you read this, it will train you how to make drinks and to make them quite well. The table of contents, as you can see, begins with a quickie education, 40-some pages to explain like what are cocktails and what are the tools you need to make them and what are some of the basic terms. Thereafter, the book breaks out the cocktail recipes according to the type of spirit. So you've got a rum section and a vodka section and gin section and so forth. Now, when it comes to actually making the recipes, let's use this one as an example. First, you get a full-page illustration, big picture of what this cocktail should look like if it is made correctly. Over here on the recipe page, I love that the information is brief, that there's lots of white around it. It makes it much easier to just kind of look down and read what's here. I think it's cool that he's got these categories here. When was this thing invented? How would you classify it amongst the other cocktails? And then there's the instructional recipe and the stuff that you need. Also really, really cool is down here's a QR code. Once you got your stuff assembled, you feel like you're ready to go, take your phone, scan that QR code, it'll take you online, and Steve has a video showing how to make this very cocktail. Brilliant. What better way to learn? A mix of old school and new school. So get yourself a copy, and well done, Steve.